How to invite friends on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to invite friends on Temu. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Temu application on your device. Sign in to your particular account. Tap You button at bottom center of the screen. On this section, you will get Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Select that. Once this section opens, you will get different kinds of credits and free gifts. Simply choose the one that is possible. Select Win Freebies for now. After that, you will land on the section where you have to click Win Your Gifts in order to go to another section. So you have to start picking your first free gifts, and here you need to pick 3 gifts in order to win. So you need to select the item and after that tap on the pick button. Select pick button again after choosing the color. Now pick your second gift. You can easily scroll down and select any one according to your preference. Tap the pick button and after you choose the color and quantity, select pick it button. Do the same for the third free gifts as well. Once you are done with that, a menu box pop-ups where you have to add a new address. Now tap Add a New Address button. Once you are done adding the address, tap the Confirm button. Now you will get access to the section where you can invite new app users. Simply tap Invite New App Users and here you got different kinds of platform where you can invite your friends on Temu. Either you can copy the link and paste on the place or the social media platform where you can easily invite friends on Temu. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.